Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to customize your Gather office. First, open Gather and sign in to your account. After logging in, open your Workspace and enter your virtual office. To start customizing your office, open the Customize panel. Here you'll find different options to change the look of your workspace. If this is your first time using the editor, you may see a welcome message about the new Build panel. Click Got it to continue. Now open the Build tab. This section contains many objects that you can add to your office. At the top, you can use the Search Objects box to quickly find the item you want. Below that, you'll see different objects such as tables, chairs, plants, whiteboards, decorations, and many other items. Simply select an object and place it anywhere in your virtual office. If you don't like the position, you can move it to another location or replace it with a different object. You can continue adding furniture and decorations until your office looks the way you want. Customizing your Gather office helps create a more organized, professional, and welcoming workspace for your team. Once you're happy with your changes, your customized office is ready for meetings and collaboration. That's how you can customize your Gather office. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more Gather tutorials and helpful technology guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.